this is the best product, the best electrolysis product that you can buy in the market.
HyLink Alkaline 23. Sunfire will always be the company to understand what is required for tomorrow and offer it today.
Green hydrogen is, in my view, a solution to tackle climate change, to become energy independent, and most of all, green hydrogen in the long term will be the most cost-effective solution for the production of gases and fuels. Our technology is already producing commercial green hydrogen today. We have learned an enormous amount from our customers. We have spent a great deal listening to their requirements, their needs, and to look at the realities of complex projects.
We want to make sure that we can always offer a validated and resilient stack technology to our customer. We are using a proven stack technology and a proven system technology. The system around it is something that you can change by integrating more stacks into one module.
Our current product performs, but industrial scaling requires more. It requires drastic cost reduction and further technical development for 100 megawatt scale plants.
Our new product, HyLink Alkaline 23, contains a lot of improvements on the balance of plant or system side that we can provide to customers very quickly with very, very low risk. First, we're changing from a 10 megawatt module to a 50 megawatt module, reducing the amount of components and materials tremendously. Second, we are doing an outdoor installment and thereby save buildings and the infrastructure for buildings, which is a tremendous cost driver. Third, we are integrating interfaces within the plant that should not be a topic at the building site anymore. Fourth, we are prefabricating everything so that the amount of time and effort required at the building site is reduced significantly. And fifth, we base this whole thing on the existing 30-bar stack technology, keeping the performance and the track record of the validation in the field of projects that are already up and running. Those 5 things together allow us for a total installed cost reduction by 50%.
Being a good partner to me means also having the resources and the capabilities to then deploy and commission electrolyzers the way our customers expect it from us.
And I'm really happy to see that Sunfire is this agile and can take over such a challenge in such a short time and then deliver quickly to the customer something that the customer would dream of but would not have believed that it would be possible so quickly.
But that speed of execution is something that Sunfire has always been good at. What defines Sunfire is the people.
I think it's the team's agility.
It's the spirit and agility of a startup paired with the professionalism of a large-scale organization. And that makes Sunfire the best partner in this industry.